I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's VYK College of Commerce. In the previous lecture, we had gone into topics on important terms of bill of exchange, due dates, types, accounting treatment of bill of exchange. Today's lecture topic would be accounting treatment of bill of exchange, that is, retaining the bill till the due date and discounting the bill with the bank in relation to the journal entries and examples. We all have seen that bill of exchange is an unconditional instrument, more so to ensure that the credit given to the customer is paid certainly on a particular date, time, place, and amount like promissory note, hundi, check, etc. Bill of exchange is a bill drawn by a particular person directing another person to pay a particular amount to other person. Accounting treatment of bill of exchange. First, retaining the bill till the due date. It may also be termed as post-dated instrument. Such an instrument is also recognized and valid in the eyes of law. The only important condition is that it only becomes payable on the date mentioned on the bill. Till the due date, this instrument does not become a bill of exchange. On the due date only, it can be presented for encashment to the drawee. He then can either honor or dishonor the instrument. An instrument can be obtained by the seller selling the goods to the buyer on credit. In such situation, drawer or creditor draws the bill on drawee or debtor. Then drawee accepts the bill and send it to the drawer. Further, the bill is presented for the payment. And lastly, drawee or acceptor honors the bill on the due date. Adverting to treatment of accounting in the books of drawer and drawee. First transaction, creditor sells goods on credit. This entry is to be taken in the books of drawer as debtors account debit to sales account, being goods sold on credit. In the books of drawee as purchases account debit to creditors account, being goods purchased on credit. Second transaction, creditor or drawer draws a bill and acceptance received. Bills receivable account debit in the books of drawer to drawee's account, being bill drawn and acceptance received. Likewise, in the books of drawee, drawer's account debit to bills payable account, narration being acceptance given. Third transaction, retained bill honored on the due date. Entry in drawer's book, cash or bank account debit to bills receivable account. Narration being retained bill duly honored on the due date. Similar entry in drawee's book, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. Narration being our acceptance honored. Fourth transaction, retained bill dishonored on the due date. in the books of drawer as drawings account debit to bills receivable account, being retained bill dishonored on the due date. In the books of drawing, bills payable account debit to drawings account. Sorry, here to drawers account, being our acceptance dishonored on due date. Last transaction, retained bill dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid by the drawer. In the books of drawer, drawings account debit to bills receivable account to cash account, being retained bill dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid. Similarly, in drawings book, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit, to drawers account, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. No journal entry in the books of account is treated as completed without narration and ascribing the amount. So special attention must be given by all of you. Otherwise, you may lose your marks in the exam. This slide contains the example for practice. On 1st June 2019, Pratap sold goods to Sujit worth rupees 82,000. Sujit accepted a bill drawn upon him by Pratap for 2 months for rupees 82,000. Give journal entries in the books of Pratap and Sujit for the following cases. A. Bill is honored on the due date. B. Bill is dishonored on the due date. And C. Bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges rupees 250 paid by Pratap. Adverting to solving the example. First journal entry in the books of Pratap. Sujit account debit to sales account. Rupees 82,000. The narration being goods sold on credit. Second journal entry, bills receivable account debit to Sujit's account, 82,000 debit and 82,000 credit, being bill drawn and acceptance received. Third journal entry, cash or bank account debit to bills receivable account, 82,000, being acceptance, Sujit acceptance honored on the due date. Fourth, Sujit's account debit 82,000 to bills receivable account 82,000, being Sujit acceptance dishonored on the due date. And last, Sujit's account debit 82,250 to bills receivable account 82,000 to cash account rupees 250, being Sujit's acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid. Moving to next topic, next journal entry in the books of Sujit. As per the example, in the books of drawing would contain first journal entry, purchases account debit to Pratap's account, 82,000, being goods purchased on credit. Second, Pratap's account debit 82,000 to bills payable account 82,000, being acceptance given. Third journal entry, bills payable account debit 82,000 to cash or bank account 82,000 being acceptance honored on due date. Fourth journal entry, bills payable account debit 82,000 to Pratap's account 82,000 being acceptance dishonored on due date. And fifth journal entry, bills payable account debit 82,000, noting charges account debit 250 to Pratap's account 82,250 being acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid. Moving to the next topic, discounting the bill of exchange. Discounting of bill refers to the encashment of the bill before the date of its maturity. The bank deducts its charges from the bill. The bank shall make the payment of the bill after deducting some interest called discount in this case. This process of encashing the bill with the bank is called discounting the bill. Discount is an expense incurred by the drawer. So it is debited in his books of accounts. As shown in this slide, seller sells the goods on credit to the buyer. Drawer draws the bill on drawee. Drawee accepts the bill. He either discounts the bill with the bank, and receives cash. An acceptor presents the bill on the due date and received cash. The example on discounting of bill is given. Rahul draws a bill on Atul for rupees 15,000 on 1st April 2019 payable after 4 months. Calculate the amount of discount. Adverting to solving the example. The formula for discounting is discount is equal to amount of bill into rate upon 100 into unexpired months upon 12. So the amount of bill being 15,000 into 10 upon 100 into 4 by 12. That is 4 upon 12. Total months in the year is 12. So the amount will be rupees 500. The said bill would be for 4 months with the bank. This example was to calculate the discount in months. In this problem, discount is to be calculated for days. Shivam drawn a bill on Ganesh for rupees 21,900 on 15th May 2019 for 60 days. He discounts the bill on the same day with his bank at 8% per annum. Calculate the amount of discount. Adverting to solving the example. Now calculating the discount in days. The formula is discount is equal to amount of bill into rate upon 100 into unexpired days upon 365. The formula of earlier problem is the same to solve this problem, but instead of months, the days are to be mentioned, and in the earlier formula, discounts in months were to be calculated. So it was divisible by 12, as in a year there are 12 months. In the similar way, in calculating discount in days, the days have to be mentioned, and as there are 365 days in a year, so it shall be divisible by 365. Thus the amount of bill is given 21,900 the bill is discounted at the rate of 8%. So 8 divisible by 100 and the period given is 60 days. So it is divisible by 365. So the answer will be rupees 288. After solving these examples, we will advert to accounting treatment in the books of drawer and drawing. The first transaction, drawer discount the bill with the bank. In the books of drawer, the entry reflects as bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account, being draw's acceptance discounted with the bank. And in draw's book, there will be no entry because draw is not a party to the transaction. Second transaction, discounted bill honored on the due date. In the books of drawer, there shall be no entry because drawer has already received the cash. In the drawer's book, the entry shall be bills payable account debit to cash or bank account, being our acceptance honored. Third transaction, discounted bill dishonored on the due date. Entry reflected in the drawer's book shall be draw's account debit to bank account, being discounted bill dishonored on the due date. In drawer's book, bills payable account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance dishonored. Last transaction, discounted bill dishonored and noting charges paid by bank. The entry reflected in drawer's book, draw's account debit to bank account, being discounted bill and noting charges paid by the bank, as amount of bill is noting charges. And in drawer's book, as bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer's account, being acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. The example is on discounting of bill with the bank. Ajinkya owes rupees 45,000 to Ashwin. On 12th July 2019, Ashwin received a cross check of rupees 15,000 from Ajinkya, and for the balance rupees 30,000. Ajinkya accepted a bill for 3 months. Ashwin got the bill discounted with his bank at 15% per annum on the same day. Give journal entries in the books of Ashwin and Ajinkya for the following cases. First, bill honored on the due date, bill discounted on the due date, and bill discounted on due date and noting charges rupees 300 paid by bank. Solution: journal entries in the books of Ashwin. Bank account debit to 15,000. Bills receivable account debit 30,000 to Ajinkya account. 45,000. Being check received and for balance bill drawn and acceptance received. Second journal entry, bank account debit 28,875, discount account debit 1,125 to bills receivable account 30,000, being Ajinkya acceptance discounted with the bank. Third, there should be no entry. Fourth, Ajinkya account debit 30,000 to bank account 30,000, being Ajinkya acceptance discounted with the bank dishonored. And last, Ajinkya account debit 30,300 to bank account 30,300, being Ajinkya acceptance discounted with bank dishonored and noting charges paid by bank. Journal entries in the books of Ajinkya. First, Ashwin's account debit to bank account to bills payable account. Ashwin account debit 45,000 to bank account 15,000 to bills payable account 30,000, being paid by check and accepted a bill for balance. Second, bills payable account debit 30,000 to cash or bank account rupees 30,000, being our acceptance dishonored on the due date. Third, bills payable account debit 30,000 to Ashwin's account rupees 30,000, being our acceptance dishonored. And last, bills payable account debit 30,000, noting charges account debit 300 to Ashwin's account 30,300, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. In this lecture, we have thoroughly gone through the concept of retaining the bill till due date and discounting the bill with the bank. With that, we have studied its accounting treatment with problems and solutions, including formulas of discounting. I hope that all of you have understood the topic and concepts. With this, I conclude by thanking you all for your response and presence. I thank respected Principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir and Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule sir for guidance, support, opportunity and faith. Thank you.